How to claim for pharmacy or Medibank. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can claim for pharmacy on Medibank. Okay, how do you do this? I want you to note that if your cover includes benefits for prescription pharmaceuticals, you can claim for them online the way you want, but you have to meet a requirement, which is you have to have an itemized receipt or invoice that shows the pharmacy name and prescription number. And you must make sure that it is dated within the last 2 years. So once that requirement is made to make your claim, go ahead and log in into your account. Once you are logged into your account, navigate through to the claims tab located at the top menu, or you can click on make a claim on the left menu. Once that is done, on the claims page, select make a pharmacy claim. All right, once you select make a pharmacy claim, click on next. Once you click on next, you have to select who this claim is for. Select it, then enter pharmacy details. To enter pharmacy details, that is on the pharmacy details page, enter the date of service, pharmacy name, pharmacist postcode, and the prescribing doctor's full name. All right, then click next. Then after that, you add service details. On the add service details page, enter the drug brand or generic name, type, strength, and pack size. Then click on confirm. Once that is done, go ahead and add the prescription details. Then add the prescription details. Once it is added, to upload receipts, click browse to upload on the receipt, on the upload receipt section. Then click on next. Once you click next, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to check through your work, and then you submit it. So click on next to review your work, and then click next again to submit. So once it's submitted, you would have made a pharmacy claim, or you would have claimed for pharmacy on Medibank. So this is how to claim for pharmacy or Medibank. Thanks for watching.